who issues the EIA licenses in Kenya? We said environment is usually a responsibility of NEMA, the National Environment Management Authority. So they are the ones who have been given the mandate or the responsibility to inspect and supervise the environment in Kenya. They are also the authority that the government uses to enforce all environmental laws and regulations here in the country, among so many other things they do. And one way they usually ensure that environmental laws and regulations are followed, and their goal is to ensure that everybody has a right to a clean and healthy environment, is by bringing in permits, approvals, licenses as a tool to ensure that businesses are compliant to the environment. And an EIA is one of those tools that we could call compliance tools. So we have so many other environmental licenses that help all force businesses to comply to the environment, because you're given these approvals if you meet some standards that have been set. And it is then NEMA who is going to issue you with an environmental impact assessment license. Very clear to note that I am an environmental expert who is also licensed by NEMA to conduct these field inspections, to conduct these audits for your business. But I'm not the one who gives you an approval. My work is to come and inspect your site and do a report and advise you on the way forward. Me and you, we sit and we develop a way forward. These are the findings. What is the plan? So as we take this report to NEMA, it has the information vile iko kwa ground, and we have developed a plan of how we are going to manage the environment as we continue with our business. So we are taking it to NEMA so that they can see, anyway, this is the project, this is the impact it is going to cause to the environment, and here is our plan to manage these harms or these negative impacts. And then if they are satisfied, they give you an approval. So I, as the consultant, I'm not the one who is doing this. My work is to help you come up with an environmental management plan. Also to note that NEMA are not the ones who are going to come and inspect your site for EIA. It is not the NEMA officers who conduct EIAs. It is experts who have been licensed to go out and do these jobs. Understood? So as a consultant, I'm not the one to give you the license. The license is given to NEMA. I help you get the license from NEMA. Yes. So in case you need any of these NEMA approvals, EIAs, water effluent discharge licenses, and all these, make sure to call me. My number is here, my contact, my email. Check me out and call me so that we can have this conversation. You don't have to wait until NEMA wakupate ndio eti unanipigia simu. So call me out.